dudes, and welcome back to day 5 of unboxing the 15 Days of Beatles Socks Advent Calendar. I'm really excited to see what we've got behind this one. We've got a red heart with a blue background. These don't seem to actually have any correlation to anything, but I don't know, I'd really like it to, because I'm like, that's the aesthetic of Help, and I kind of want it to be a thing, but it probably won't be, but I really want it to be. But Yellow Submarine would be pretty cool too, as has been suggested. I don't know what we're gonna get, so I am working on punching out the door on it. Alright, what do we got? Alright, I'm seeing dark colors. What do we... Oh, they're longer ones. I thought with it being a short door that would be a short pair. Oh, okay, so apparently the correlation is not the size of the doors, as is usually the case with these type of calendars. Okay, good to know. So, alright, we've got... What is this? Oh, okay. I had to turn them to, like, read them correctly, so I'm still waking up, and my brain misread it as the Ruddles, and I'm like, wait... There's no way they put a pair of Ruddles socks in here. It says Revolution. It has the Beatles on them. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Like the color combo. It's classy. I like it. And we've got a more traditional looking Beatles logo on this one. I mean, we should have a capitalized B here and the longer drop down T, but whatever. I'll take it. The Revolution logo is kind of cool. Alright. Kind of sock monkey type coloring. Alright, I'll wear those today. Why not? So, that's what we got for day 5. Do we have any predictions for day 6? So far, I have been wrong on every single prediction, but we've got a big green door with a pink heart. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Even though we're probably going to be wrong. Again. What does this combo make me think of with relation to Beatles? Maybe Can't Buy Me Love? I don't know. Well, I suppose we'll see tomorrow or whenever I unbox that next day. So, anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. My Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.